Hi, I'm Jack, one of Siemens' product experts. Great cooking starts with confidence, and this Siemens IQ700 built-in oven will give you all the confidence you need to produce professional results effortlessly. Consider overcooked food a thing of the past thanks to cookControl Pro. Simply select your dish on the display, and the oven will automatically set the ideal temperature and cooking mode for you, providing perfect results without the guesswork. For quickly cooking healthy meals, Full Steam Plus combines hot air with steam. This powerful combination cooks food at up to 120 degrees Celsius and up to 50% faster than with full steam, helping to lock in more vitamins, nutrients and moisture and keeping everything juicy and tender. It's never been easier to find the right program for your dish. Just tell your oven the meal you want to prepare via your Home Connect app, and the oven assistant will then suggest suitable settings or programs and switch directly to your selection. You'll find everything is beautifully clear on the TFT Touch Display Plus. The high-resolution display responds instantly and feels intuitive, giving you complete control. Short on time, Cool Start skips preheating altogether, so frozen food cooks faster without compromising results. And you'll be pleased to know that cleaning up is refreshingly simple. There are 2 cleaning functions inside, including activeClean, which is a special coating on the back wall that absorbs grease and odours. And secondly, humidClean, which uses steam to soften food residue in minutes, so you can just wipe it clean. The Siemens IQ700 will not only help you create professional results, but thanks to its intelligent technology, sophisticated design and cooking precision, it'll make them effortless too.